From
I
Ate
smelled it
Juby.
when it was like huge.
Oh, it smells good. I don't want to get my lips on this. I'm gonna get my lips. Thank you. And then,
yan. May letter pa yung mahaba.
oh, sige.
Hindi, wag na niyang basahin.
Ha? Yeah. Ano?
Sa kanya na lang yan.
Guess what?
Ano yan? Lunch bag?
This is so cool! It's a clock!
It's a clock. Wow, that's
And
cool.
it's so nice looking!
It's a what?
It's a clock.
It's a what?
Orange clock. September ay meron pa sang petsa. See?
You have to put the better.
You can...
Oh, it's a clock in the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a calendar. From Typo! Yay! Thank you.
For the not so morning person.
I know, right? Good. Ano to?
Grabe nagre-reflect yung
Ano
heart.
to? Paparazzi?
Paparazzi.
Ayan! Parang
Ang dami na eh.
shower ako. That's not good either.
Oh!
Oh! This is cute!
May picture na siya.
Wow!
Wow, may scrapbook
Oh,
na
yeah,
siya.
at the time when we first met. Oh, that's so nice. Si Jellan, oh, parang pagod na pagod siya.
Palagi naman pagod yan eh.
Oh, that's payat pa ako noon.
In-scrapbook
Oh,
niya.
wag nang basahin yan.
Ah.
Oh, this is so cute. It's like a scrapbook, everyone. Itong kaibigan ko na hindi ko pa na-meet.
Kaibigan na hindi pa na niya na-meet.
You haven't met her. You guys haven't met her. You haven't met her.
Yeah.
Si Ate Christine.
I met her.
Hindi, sila.
Okay. Ayan, saan yan?
Yung sa Habachi. Sa buffet. Yung unang kain natin.
O sige. Yung mga service. Mamaya titingnan.
Mamaya natin.
This is super light. Ang galing naman yun.
You got me sheet mask! Oh my word! Thank you so much!
Ano yan? Ano yan?
I love
Facial. Facial. Beauty product. Endorsement. Sponsor.
it! Thank you so much. So, ano ka na pinili?
Sakit to.
Oh.
Yung beauty product.
You even have to buy
Ano yung... Ano yung...
It's from you? Oh, it's cute! I like... I put on my hair, right? Maybe this is my hair.
In here. Neck.
Your neck or hair. Oh!
Or you wanna put in your belly here. Belly dance. Hindi, galing ka ano.
Sa'yo?
Galing kay Colleen.
It's cute. Thank you. I'll wear it. I don't know what to wear with, but I will figure out what it is. Thank you.
No, there's more in it.
There's more? Ito?
Your favorite.
Oh, here.
I don't know if you like it though.
Ooh.
Citrus. Is it that one?
It's citrus. Ooh, it smells good.
Sure.
It smells like grapefruit.
Try it.
I love it.
Demo.
I like it. It smells good. I like citrus. Thank you. Thank you. And then this is the last one.
Okay, Kuya.
Oh,
Kuya
I have
Sam.
lipstick on. Oh my god.
Lipstick? Sam?
Hindi! Oh, thank you!
Perfect. Cover.
This from you? Galing sa'yo to? Thank you. Perfect time.
Masisira na. Masisira na yung ano niya. Masisira na yung ano niya, yung case niya.
And you got
Yeah.
a protector,
And then shirt. Open the shirt kung kasya sa'yo.
a shirt
Yeah.
that says
So you have to remember.
Arizona, so I don't forget Arizona. And a super thick letter. What is this?
Pictures
What's
inside.
that kapal?
It's a pictures inside.
Ah, picture.
Yeah.
Kasama si Kitty dito.
Hindi.
Love letter?
Why? Ate! I know. I wanna see all the pictures.
Walang love letter dyan, ah.
Talaga sa...
Mga bata pa kayo.
Remembrance. Yan na yung tatay natin. Galit na.
Opo, tay.
A letter?
Ay, siya eh.
Si Jason yan
Lahat nandyan sila.
Her face is the cover.
Para may remembrance ka sa amin. Lahat.
Oh, this is nice. Thank you.
All of us.
sa mga dyan.
Hindi. Huwag mahirasi ka.
Tayo, Mio.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Open pa. Oh, thank you.
Puro okay, it's nice lang sinasabi.
No, I like it. Ano ba? Ba talaga? You're ruining the moment.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Guys, pangit ako ngayon. Thank you. I didn't fix myself. Thursday, I'll fix myself since I know you have a lot of stuff to say. We fixed you, see, with all the makeup on your face.
yeah.
I know, right? This is my makeover. Before and after. I like making.
Try it.
Thank you.
Sinakpan nyo naman eh.
Case lang nagustuhan.
I like my case. I needed one.
Wala ngang blue eh. Wala akong manap na blue. Just sa black.
And white.
Thank you. Pangit mo. Pangit ko.
Para kang si Pink Rat.
Sabi nga na Julia, ang pangit mo.
Kailan kita nakita ganyan ha?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pangit ko.
Okay.
Ano ba to? Mga videographer at photographer.
Alright.
Nag-makeup
Alright. It's time.